This is Angry Birds that we're playing, and I'm gonna let the other guy talk now because he's the one playing it. All right, you can go ahead now. Oh yeah, we're okay, and then we're just getting done here. Next level. Let's see how this goes.
Okay, when we get to the really hard ones, it's gonna be really hard.
Yeah. We're trying to record this as best as we can. We don't have like this.
That one sucks.
We don't
have to get through one of these. Let's do the one that.
Sorry about the bad quality and cracked screen. We don't have all that good stuff. Like the real people. There'll be more videos of these. Oh.
Messed. Oh wait. Never mind.
Ooh, look at the water.
Huh?
The watermelons. Whoa! It has glasses.
It's really. I actually like that look of the Pig's Place Resort or whatever it's called.
Yeah, guys. This video is probably gonna be around like 3 minutes.
It might not be that much.
I don't know.
But we're gonna record as much as we can.
We're gonna make a video showing our faces in this video.
Even though I already made a video of that.
It's all fine. Oh yeah, you guys might know me into another way. I am the Creeper Face Gaming. It's kind of weird.
Because we're kind of cousins.
Yeah, that's why I'm over here. Hold on, guys. We have to edit something. We'll be right back. Hey, guys, we're back, and we cleared this level because I don't know. We can't pause it.
This one looks like a really. Oh, it's actually maybe hard.
Yeah, it's a little bit hard. After this, go to the thing so we can end it.
What thing?
The screen. Will you very first play it? Alright, hold on.
Oh wait.
Sorry, guys. It's just kind of shaky. I'm sorry about the bad quality. And probably wear headphones. I don't know. If you have a good computer with the loud music. Alright.
What are you doing?
What are you making?
Alright, guys. That's all we have time for. And please leave the video a like and subscribe as well. Alright, guys. Peace.